Hey everyone, it's Daniel here from Recipe Cost Calculator, and today we are going to show you how to generate shopping lists or a full bill of materials for some amount of recipes or product that you need to make. And we're going to do that using our production plans feature. Production plans will be familiar to anyone in like manufacturing, baking, and stuff like that. It's also super useful for catering companies and can definitely be used for restaurants as well in the context of prep, or depending on the context, it can be used for a bunch of things. But basically, to generate a shopping list, what we're going to do is we're going to come in here and we're going to click on production plans, and we're going to create a new production plan. Now, what this is basically a list of things that you want to make on some given day. So for example, let's say that on Monday, May 5th, we're going to make some oatmeal raisin cookies, and we're going to make some peanut butter cookies, and we're going to make some chocolate chip cookies. There are some optional fields where you can type in information here. None of it's required other than the date. And then what you can do is you can come down here and you can see the quantities, which is the batch size of the items that you want to make. Basically, you can just change these values to any values that you want based on the needs that you have for the date in question. And you can then continue to scroll down, and the software Recipe Cost Calculator will generate for you a complete shopping list of everything that you need based on these quantities to make sure that you have the raw materials on hand to be able to produce recipes that you've listed. You can save this plan so you can come back and refer to this shopping list or bill of materials. You can generate a printable view of it. There's lots of things that you can do. In addition, if you have inventory management enabled with Recipe Cost Calculator, then the shopping list will show up in green for items that it knows that you have enough of on hand, and it will show up in red for items where you do not have enough of those items in your raw materials inventory in order to execute the production plan in question. So you can save that plan, and once you save the plan, then you can view the shopping list again. You can also get printable copies of that shopping list for wherever you are going to go. I hope that's been helpful, and if you have any questions, please let us know.